Is that a space outfit he's got? A space helmet? Think if we shot him out into deep space, he would survive? Okay.
Stormtrooper helmet.
Stormtrooper. Oh, it's Kyle, not Stormtrooper. Green Acres is the place to be. How you doing, Kyle? You got any cat yellow paint for that? I don't think so. Ponzi yellow? Actually, I was going to use John Deere. Where's Billy's machine? Oh, I didn't even look. Yeah. Okay, Rush Limbaugh. Do a good job. You might have to mesh with that. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you do. Either this one's got to come down some or go up. Down on the forklift, but I don't think it'll. There you go. You're just about there. Look, yeah, you're doing it. I don't know what you're doing, but it's close. Watch your fingers.
I don't need that one anyway. I'm just gonna go in and touch that.
We got her lined up to the universal measurement. Do you know what that is? Do you need some help?
Need you to get away.
I deserve that.
I got little rubber in here.
That's not little. You got it. Look at that shit. You guys want to hear a story? What?
No.
Oh, okay, then keep hammering. I'll tell you later.
Like usual.
Hey, no.
Yeah, Troy said it. I smashed me. Two knuckles on this roller. Put it in by 2 weeks.
How'd you put that in?
2 weeks? You guys put your 2 weeks in?
Yeah, like 2 years ago.
You're still here.
Give me the second hole.
I'd rather do this than tile.
In the second hole.
She's going in, Ottawa. Oh yeah.
You're almost to this, you're about an inch from.
Well, let's just weld it there.
Once you get it in there, you can just pull this crane out of here then, right?
No.
Swivel it out of your way. Leak. This is fun. Watching somebody else work.
You do that all the time.
Yeah, whatever. You know what? Why I was so grumpy this morning?
Pussy hurt?
Yeah, my pussy hurt.
Oh.
I didn't sleep last night because my hands were numb. All night, there were like 2 clubs, and that hasn't happened in a long time. But I figured from all that grinding and shit over the weekend.
Thinking from touching yourself too much.
From touching myself too much? Probably right, Troy.
If you'd work every day, your hands would get tough like mine and Troy's.
That's what happened. They got shitty from working every day like that. You guys beating on the palms, you know?
We'd never do that.
Yeah. I'm keeping this film on because I want to see this home.
Almost.
Could be trouble. Why don't you shut that door here? Oh, you need the breeze.
It's nice out, it's gonna be winter next week.
Pin's all crooked.
There you go. She's gonna go, or you gotta turn it while you're.
Oh, I lined it up.
I'm being really annoying, ain't I?
Yeah. What's new?
There, bushing.
Huh?
Bushing came out.
Shut up. That hammer move. Now that's tight, boys. Couple more hits and she's there, huh? There it is. I heard it. I heard it from over here. Whose is this? This one on the AC machine? It's mine now.
Yes.
She's in there.